Hi students. So in this video, in Unit 1 poem, The Computer Swallowed Grandma. So in this poem, we are going to see figure of speech. So in your book, page number 101, you have pick out the rhyming pairs and write them in the blanks given. So this is the figure of speech presented in your book, in this poem. So a figure of speech means we have lot of figure of speech like alliteration, rhyming words, rhyming scheme, simile, metaphor, consonants, assonance, epithet, and etc. We have lot of figure of speech. But now we are studying 7th standard. So we can see step by step. First, we can see in this video how to find out the rhyming words, that is rhyming pairs, and how to find out the rhyming scheme and alliteration. So this three is very easy in figure of speech. So we can see in the poem how to find out the rhyming pairs. So rhyming pairs and rhyming words, so both are same only. If you can able to identify what are the rhyming words are present in the poem means, you can easily able to find out the rhyming schemes. So now we can see we can find out the rhyming words in your poem, The Computer Swallowed the Grandma. So each stanza we can see by each stanza. First we can find out the rhyming words. Grandma, so it ends with ma. True, oo sound is ending, so we have to see this ending words only. In the words the ending words only gives you the rhyming words. So you should see in the poem only the ending words. Grandma, true, enter, view. So grandma, true is both are other some different sounds. Grandma, it ends with the sound ends with ma. True, oo sound is ending. Enter, ir sound is ending. View, again oo sound is ending. So true, view are the rhyming words for the stanza 1. So next stanza, completely, scrim, virus, warm. So warm, scrim. So im sound is ending. So this both are the rhyming words in stanza 2. In stanza 3, bin, in sound is ending. Kind, ind sound is ending. Internet, it sound. Find, ind sound. So kind, find are the rhyming words in the stanza 3. In 4th stanza, Jeeves is sound. Refine, in sound. In sound. Negative, if sound. Online, in sound. Again in sound is ending. So refine, online or the both words are rhyming words in 4th stanza. Next, inbox is sound. C, e sound. Her, ir sound. Me, again e sound is coming. So C, me are the rhyming words in your fifth stanza. So once again we can see what are the rhyming words present in your poem. True, view or the rhyming pairs 1. Scrim, warm or the rhyming pair 2. Kind, find or the rhyming pairs 3. Refine, online or the rhyming pairs 4. See, me or the rhyming pair 5. So you should take these words and you should write in the page number 101. So you should take that pairs and you should write here. Pick out the rhyming pairs they have said. No. So in stanza 2, what are the rhyming words presented? Scrim and warm. In stanza 3, kind, find. In stanza 4, refine, online. In stanza 5, see me. So these are the rhyming pairs presented in your poem and we have written here. So not only we are going to see the rhyming pairs or rhyming words, we can also able to find out easily the rhyming scheme also. We can also frame easily. The rhyming scheme is very easy figure of speech presented in your English. So we can see how to find out the rhyming scheme in your poem. So rhyming scheme means it's also comes and it is also nearest to the rhyming words only. Okay, wow. You have to take stanza by stanza only. Stanza da edukano. If you have a poem now in the grandma, the computer solid grandma, you have only 5 stanzas. But in some other poems you have lot of lines or lot of stanzas. You can able to have a full set of poem to have a rhyming word. So you can take stanza by stanza. So in rhyming scheme means you have to frame in small letters ABCD. ABCD தான் அதோட வந்துட்டு letters நீங்கள் frame பண்ண போறீங்க. You should write in small letters only. Okay, now the same sounds only is very important in rhyming scheme. Grandma, ma sound is ending, so ma. Grandma, ma sound, so we can frame A. So only we are taking the first stanza. True, oo sound, so we can frame B. So ma is different sound from oo. So from ma sound we are framing A. For oo sound we are framing B. Next, enter, ir sound. Okay, wow. So we can frame C. View, again oo sound is repeated. So already we have written B for oo sound. So again we can write same letter. So now the rhyming scheme for the first stanza is A, B, C and B. So this is the rhyming scheme for your stanza 1. Now for stanza 2. Completely, so E sound is presented. Scrim, im sound is presented. So both are different. So for E sound you have framed A and for im sound you are framing B. Virus, is sound is presented. So this is A and this is B and this is the different sound, right? So you can frame C. Warm, again im sound is presented. So already for im sound you have framed B, so again you can frame B. So for the second stanza also the rhyming pattern is A, B, C and B. So this is a rhyming pattern for your second stanza. Now for third stanza. Bin, in the sound, so we can frame A. Kind, in the sound, so we can frame B. Internet, it sound, C. Find, so same in the sound is coming, so we can frame B. So for this also the rhyming pattern is A, B, C and B. Now we can see fourth stanza. Jeeves, is sound is presented, so we can frame A. Refine, in sound, so we can frame B. Negative, if sound, so we can frame C. Online, again in sound is presented, so we can frame B. So for fourth stanza also A, B, C and B. Now for fifth stanza, in box is a sound is presented, so we can frame A. C, E sound is presented for B. Her, ir sound is presented, so we can frame C. Me, again E sound is presented, so we can frame B. So for the fifth stanza also A, B, C and B. So overall for the five stanza also the rhyming pattern is same. So the rhyming pattern for the whole poem is A, B, C and B. So this is the rhyming scheme for all the poem presented here. So now we can see how to find out the alliteration. So alliteration is nothing but the same sound presented in the beginning of the letter. It's called as alliteration. Okay, so same letter வந்துட்டு in a line ஒரு லைன்ல, that is for a rhyming scheme we saw about stanza wise, but here for alliteration you should see line wise. ஓகேவா, லைன் பை லைன் நீங்கள் பார்க்கணும். எந்த ஒரு லைனில் ரெண்டு லெட்டர் சேமாக ஸ்டார்ட் ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா with the same letter and with the same sound, if it starts means it is called as alliteration. If the letter or the sound starts samely in a line is called as alliteration. Okay, now we can find out where are the alliteration presented in your poem. See the first line, the computer swallowed grandma. So the same letter is not repeated. So in second line, yes, honestly it's true. In second line also there is no any letters repeated. She pressed control and enter. So no letters repeat, no same letters are repeated at the first of the words. And disappeared from the view. So here also there is no any repeated letters. So in first stanza there is no any alliteration is presented. So next stanza, in stanza 2, it devoured her completely. So in this also there is no alliteration. The thought just makes me scream. So here you can see the T, the thought T. So here T is present and here also T is present. So the first letter is repeated in the same line. So here this is the alliteration words. So if for example they have asked you to find out the alliteration and they have given you a stanza means, so how you should write means this contains 1 mark, so you should write the and you should put hyphen and you should write thought. So this is 1 mark or half mark, how they are framing, how we can see. Okay, so you should write like this. If the alone if you have written, there is no any mark. So the pair is this. So alliteration pair na இது ரெண்டுமே வந்துட்டு present ஆயிருக்கணும். ஓகேவா. So here the thought is an alliteration pair. So next line, she must have caught a virus. No, there is no any alliteration. Or being eaten by a worm. So here also there is no any alliteration. I have searched through the recycle bin. So again through the is presented. And files of every kind. So here also there is no any alliteration present. I have even used the internet. There is no any alliteration. But nothing did I find. So there is no any alliteration. In desperation I asked Jeeves. So here in I is presented as a alliteration word. My research to refine. No, there is no any alliteration. My reply from him was negative. Not a thing was found online. So if inside, so I, if inside I, so both are starting with I. So if inside your inbox my grandma, you should see. Should, yes, starting, and here also see, yes. So please copy, scan and paste here. Please P, paste P. In an email back to me. So there are only few alliteration in your poem. What is that? The the thought, in, I, if, inside, please, paste, should, see. So these are the total alliterations presented in your unit 1 poem, The Computer Swallowed Grandma. I hope you have understood the figure of speech of rhyming pairs, rhyming scheme and alliteration. Thank you.